Beretta pistols are a symbol of Italian excellence in firearms manufacturing. With a heritage spanning over 500 years, Beretta has mastered the art of producing reliable, accurate, and ergonomic handguns. From the iconic Beretta 92 to the modern APX series, Beretta pistols are trusted by military, law enforcement, and civilians worldwide for their craftsmanship and performance. Number 5. Beretta M9A4. The latest evolution of the iconic M9 series, built to meet the demands of modern warriors. This legendary sidearm has been upgraded with innovative features and enhanced ergonomics, delivering unrivaled performance in the field. The M9A4 features a modular frame with an improved grip texture, ensuring a secure hold even in adverse conditions. Its extended magazine capacity and ambidextrous controls provide versatility and ease of use. The M9A4's chrome-lined barrel and optimized slide design enhance durability and reliability, while the enhanced sights offer superior target acquisition. With its proven track record and unmatched reputation, the Beretta M9A4 continues to be the go-to firearm for military, law enforcement, and discerning shooters worldwide. Experience the legacy of excellence with the Beretta M9A4 and dominate the battlefield with confidence. Number 4. Beretta 92 XRDO. A groundbreaking pistol that combines the proven reliability of the 92 series with cutting-edge optics technology. This remarkable firearm is equipped with a factory-installed red dot optic, providing quick and precise target acquisition. The 92 XRDO features a durable steel frame, ergonomic grip, and ambidextrous controls, ensuring comfort and ease of use for all shooters. Its enhanced slide design allows for smoother cycling and reduced recoil. With a generous magazine capacity and the added advantage of the red dot optic, the 92 XRDO is a formidable choice for competitive shooting, self-defense, or duty use. Trust in Beretta's commitment to excellence and elevate your shooting performance with the Beretta 92 XRDO, the ultimate fusion of tradition and innovation. Number 3. Beretta APX. A cutting-edge pistol designed for superior performance and reliability. The APX features a sleek and modern design, with an ergonomic grip that ensures a comfortable and secure hold. Its striker-fired action delivers a consistent trigger pull and enhanced accuracy, while the low-bore axis reduces muzzle rise for quick follow-up shots. The APX's modular design allows for easy customization with interchangeable grip frames and accessories. With its rugged construction and intuitive controls, the APX is a versatile choice for law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters alike. Whether you're seeking a reliable self-defense option or a reliable companion on the range, the Beretta APX delivers uncompromising excellence. Step into the future of firearms technology with the Beretta APX and experience a new level of shooting performance. Number 2. Beretta PX4 Storm. A reliable and versatile semi-automatic pistol designed to withstand the harshest conditions. With its sleek and ergonomic design, the PX4 Storm offers a comfortable grip for enhanced control and accuracy. Its rotating barrel system reduces recoil, allowing for faster follow-up shots. The ambidextrous controls make it easy to operate for both right and left-handed shooters. Featuring a durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide, the PX4 Storm is built to last. With interchangeable backstraps, the pistol can be customized to fit various hand sizes. Whether for self-defense, duty use, or recreational shooting, the Beretta PX4 Storm is a trusted companion that delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Experience the power and versatility of the PX4 Storm and elevate your shooting experience today. Number 1. Beretta Pico, the ultimate concealed carry companion. This ultra-compact and lightweight pistol is designed to be discreet without sacrificing performance. With its slim profile and snag-free design, the Pico effortlessly conceals in any clothing or holster. The Pico features a modular frame with interchangeable grip frames, allowing for a personalized fit and enhanced control. Its double action-only trigger provides a smooth and consistent pull for added safety. Despite its small size, the Pico boasts surprising accuracy and reliability, making it an ideal choice for personal defense. With its durable construction and trusted Beretta craftsmanship, The Pico is a reliable companion that's ready to defend at a moment's notice. Experience the perfect blend of compactness and capability with the Beretta Pico and empower yourself with confidence and peace of mind.